Hello friends, today I'll to show you how to make a thumbnail for our YouTube channel video. First of all, I am opening my computer and with a browser, and here I am showing to you which videos logo I will to make. Okay, maybe you see that a video, which video's name how to add new camera in emo homepage. I will make a logo for this video. Okay, first I am taking a new page, and here YouTube thumbnail video already size are attached, size 1920 into 1080 pixel and 300 ppi. Okay, just now create, and I am taking a logo, background logo. Okay, background logo already I have managed, and here, okay, copy, now paste, control V. Okay, and I am taking a move tools, and here show transformer control, and I am increasing outside. Okay, just increasing. Okay, now I am texting, now I am writing. Okay, how to add new camera okay, just one sentence, and okay, now I am changing color white. Okay, and I am attaching blending option and stroke color are red. Okay, and here I am setting 3, okay, not 3 4. Okay, and I am reducing size. Okay, into okay, I am giving 2 sentence, and I am increasing this size. Okay, now I am giving also blending. Okay, and stroke. Okay, okay, now I am saving, save as, and here save on your computer, and okay, save type, how to add new okay, giving title. Okay, just okay, and now I am setting. Okay, desktop, here I am save. Okay, save, saving. Almost save. Okay, okay, fine. Maybe I showed you how to make a thumbnail for our YouTube channel videos. Thank you so much for watching.